Welcome to TechMinds, your gateway to the future of technology. Join us as we delve into the latest innovations, unraveling the mysteries of tomorrow's world. Let the exploration begin. Know on the Bauer Aqua Spin irrigation system is a cutting-edge irrigation technology designed for agricultural applications. It utilizes centrifugal force to distribute water evenly across fields, ensuring optimal hydration for crops. This system is particularly efficient in areas with irregular terrain, as it can adapt to varying slopes and contours. Its precision control allows farmers to adjust water distribution according to specific crop needs, conserving water resources and maximizing yield. Additionally, the system is highly durable and resistant to clogging, reducing maintenance requirements and operational downtime. Number 2, robotic harvesters are autonomous machines, revolutionizing the agricultural industry by automating the labor-intensive task of crop harvesting. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, these robots can identify ripe produce, pick them with precision, and sort them according to quality standards. They significantly reduce the reliance on manual labor, increase harvesting efficiency, and minimize harvest losses. Moreover, robotic harvesters operate around the clock, enabling farmers to optimize harvest timing and minimize delays. Number 3, the Dakota 300 Blueberry Harvester is specifically designed for harvesting blueberries efficiently and gently. Its gentle shaking mechanism dislodges ripe berries from bushes without causing damage, ensuring high-quality yield. The harvester's adjustable settings allow farmers to adapt to different blueberry varieties and field conditions with its high-capacity collection system and onboard sorting capabilities. The Dakota 300 streamlines the harvesting process, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. Number 4, a multi-head breaker is a versatile demolition tool used in construction and renovation projects to break through concrete, asphalt, and other hard materials. Number 5, concrete cutting equipment encompasses a range of tools and machines used to cut, saw, and drill through concrete structures with precision and efficiency. These include diamond-tipped saws, wire saws, and core drills, among others, whether for construction, renovation, or demolition purposes. Concrete cutting equipment enables precise cuts, minimal vibration, and reduced dust generation. Advanced features such as water cooling and vacuum systems enhance operator safety and prolong tool life, making concrete cutting equipment essential for various construction and engineering projects. Number 6, a mulch applicator is a specialized machine used in agriculture and landscaping to efficiently apply mulch to soil surfaces. It features a conveyor system or rotating drum that dispenses mulch evenly over the desired area, covering the soil to conserve moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Mulch applicators come in various sizes and configurations to suit different applications, from small-scale gardening to large agricultural operations. By automating the mulching process, these machines save time and labor while promoting soil health and crop productivity. Number 7, the TED Vineyard Robot is an innovative automation solution designed specifically for vineyard management tasks, equipped with cameras, sensors, and robotic arms. This autonomous robot can perform various vineyard maintenance activities, such as pruning, trellising, and canopy management, by autonomously navigating vineyard rows and executing predefined tasks. The TED Vineyard Robot reduces labor costs, enhances operational efficiency, and ensures consistent vineyard maintenance practices. Its advanced AI algorithms enable real-time decision-making, allowing the robot to adapt to changing environmental conditions and vineyard requirements. Number 8, a harvester with a bunker is a specialized agricultural machine equipped with a storage bunker for efficient harvesting and temporary storage of crops. This integrated design allows the harvester to continuously harvest crops without the need for frequent unloading, maximizing productivity during harvest season, whether harvesting grains, root crops, or vegetables. The harvester with a bunker offers high-capacity operation and minimizes harvest losses by providing secure storage on the go. Additionally, the bunker's adjustable capacity ensures flexibility to accommodate varying crop yields and field conditions. Number 9. An aquatic weed removal machine is a specialized equipment designed to manage and control weed infestations in water bodies, such as lakes, ponds, and canals. These machines employ various techniques such as cutting, shredding, and raking to effectively remove invasive aquatic plants and algae. Equipped with powerful engines and maneuvering systems, aquatic weed removal machines can access hard-to-reach areas and operate in diverse water conditions by restoring ecological balance and improving water quality. These machines play a crucial role in preserving aquatic ecosystems and supporting aquatic biodiversity. Number 10. Swagbot is an autonomous robotic platform developed for agricultural and livestock management tasks in rugged and remote terrain. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and AI algorithms, Swagbot can navigate rough terrain, herd livestock, monitor grazing patterns, and perform other farm management activities autonomously. Its rugged design and all-terrain capabilities make it suitable for operations in challenging environments where traditional machinery may struggle to operate efficiently. By automating labor-intensive tasks and reducing the need for human intervention, Swagbot helps improve farm productivity, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. Number 11. A precision seeder is a specialized agricultural machine designed for accurate and efficient planting of seeds in row crops. It utilizes advanced technology such as GPS guidance systems and variable rate seed dispensers to precisely place seeds at optimal spacing and depth. By ensuring uniform seed placement and consistent seed-to-soil contact, precision seeders maximize crop emergence and yield potential while minimizing seed waste. These machines are commonly used for planting crops like corn, soybeans, and vegetables, offering farmers improved crop establishment and overall field productivity. Number 12. An autonomous weed sprayer is a robotic agricultural implement equipped with sensors and AI algorithms for targeted herbicide application. These machines use real-time data to identify and selectively spray herbicides only on weed-infested areas, minimizing chemical usage and environmental impact while maximizing weed control efficacy. Autonomous weed sprayers offer farmers precise and efficient weed management solutions, reducing labor costs and dependency on manual spraying methods. Additionally, by minimizing herbicide drift and off-target effects, these machines contribute to sustainable crop production practices. Number 13. A variable rate fertilizer spreader is a precision agriculture tool used to apply fertilizers in accordance with site-specific crop requirements. These machines utilize GPS technology and soil nutrient mapping data to adjust fertilizer application rates based on factors such as soil fertility levels, crop type, and yield goals. By optimizing nutrient distribution across fields, variable rate fertilizer spreaders help farmers achieve better crop growth, yield, and quality while minimizing fertilizer waste and environmental impact. These machines are essential for implementing precision nutrient management strategies and maximizing agricultural sustainability. Number 14. An optical sorting machine is a high-tech equipment used in the food processing industry to sort and grade various agricultural products based on optical properties such as color, size, and shape. These machines utilize advanced imaging technology, including cameras and sensors, to rapidly inspect incoming product streams and identify defects, foreign materials, and contaminants. By precisely analyzing each individual item, optical sorting machines can separate out unwanted elements, ensuring product quality and safety. They are commonly used for sorting grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, offering processors a reliable solution to enhance product quality, reduce waste, and comply with food safety regulations. Number 15. A vertical farming tower is a vertical hydroponic system designed for efficient and space-saving cultivation of crops in indoor environments. These towers consist of multiple stacked growing levels equipped with LED grow lights, nutrient solutions, and automated climate control systems. By utilizing vertical space and optimizing growing conditions, vertical farming towers enable year-round production of fresh produce with minimal land and water usage. They offer advantages such as higher crop yields, reduced pesticide use, and shorter growing cycles compared to traditional farming methods. Vertical farming towers are increasingly used in urban areas to meet growing demands for locally sourced and sustainably grown fruits and vegetables. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.